Okay, on this video, we will be going over section 11.3, problem number 21. Okay, so the first thing we need to notice is that they're telling us that line M is parallel to line N. So we want to keep that in mind because when we got parallel lines cut by a transversal, there's all sorts of equivalences that kick in. So we've got two transversals here. There's the alternate interior angles, there's the alternate exterior angles, there's corresponding angles, all sorts of things that we can look at. Okay, we're told we've got a 60-degree angle here. So I want you to start filling in other things that you can tell from what is already given. The 70-degree angle here. And then we just have to find all the other angles. So who can tell me what else can we know from the 60-degree angle? What else would be 60 degrees? And I'll just,
The vertical angle?
yeah, the vertical angle directly across from it would be 60. And likewise, we have a vertical angle here directly across from 70. So that's angle 5 would be 60 degrees and angle 9 would be 70 degrees. All right, now what else can we figure out? Let's go, what can we figure out based on supplementary angles at this point?
Well, they add to 180, so the flip side of the 60s are going to be 120s.
Yeah, so the angles that adjoin to make a straight angle would sum to 180. They're supplementary. So we've got 120 there. And then with this 60 here, we also have a supplementary. It's also vertical to the 120 we already found. So that's angles 1 and 4. All right, how about supplementary angles down here with the 70? Oh, we don't, yeah, we
Well,
do.
you could figure out that. Well,
Oh,
wouldn't
we
it be?
can't figure supplementary yet with the 70s, can we? Okay, but I do see, well, let's see if you notice anything. What else can we mark?
Well, wouldn't.
It looks like there's a 90-degree.
Well, you could jump up and do a 70. Oh, wait, no. Okay, well, I'm just thinking that you could drop the 60 down to the left of the interior 70, right?
Right here?
Uh-huh.
Yes, because we have parallel lines, the corresponding angles have to be equal. So this angle 60 would be corresponding to this one. They're the same shape.
And then the corresponding angle to 70. The interior 70 will go up.
I'm not following you.
So the interior 70, that you got number 9,
Uh-huh.
wouldn't that? Oh, no, not the
Wouldn't angle 12 be 60 as well?
Yes, by what? I agree. What's your justification?
They're opposite.
Yeah, vertical angles across.
Yeah, vertical angles.
Uh-huh. But also we can say it's corresponding to this 60.
That's the word I was looking for, corresponding.
Couple of ways you could look at that one. Okay, now what?
Oh, well then to find angles 11 and 10, you just take 180, 60 and 70 is 130 minus 180, that's 50 degrees.
For
For
the
11.
supplementary angles.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry, I should use.
So 60 and 70 is 130. That would be supplementary to the 50 degrees right here. It's taking 180 minus 130. Okay, what can we do now?
And then
The
corresponding
corresponding one would be 50 as well.
to
Up here,
number 3. And then the vertical there,
yes.
and then the supplementary gives you 130.
Mhm. Or you can just think of corresponding
Oh, yeah.
to the 60 plus 70 there. Okay, now what?
Oh, you got vertical 50 and 50 down to get angle. There you go. And
Angle.
then yeah, and then the 130 vertical angle as angle number 7 would be 130.
And we're done. Isn't that satisfying?
Yes. Puzzle piece.
Everybody have that?
Yes, I think that just blew my mind.
So you have a lot of tools in your arsenal. Certainly vertical angles is a good starting place. Also supplementary angles can help you. Then you can think of your corresponding angles. We didn't even talk about alternate interior. Here's 60 and 60, alternate interior or alternate exterior. This 60 and that 60. We also could have used that we have a triangle here and the sum of the angles in a triangle add to 180. So when we had 60 and 70 here, we could have taken 180 minus the 130 to get that 50. Would have been another way. I saw that early on, but you took it a different direction with this one.